Your drain isn't just a drain, it's a sneaky jewel thief just waiting to strike. Losing a jewel down the sink isn't some sick fantasy. It really happens. I'm going to help you build one simple reflex every jewelry lover needs, because it could save your treasure and your heart. Here's the golden rule. Always plug your sink before cleaning your jewelry. I know it sounds basic, but we hurry and we skip that step, and that's how treasures get lost. Now, soap makes jewelry slippery, and it takes just one split second for your favorite stud or gem to pull a Houdini and go down the drain. I learned the hard way. Back when my tourmaline studs were new, I was washing them in the open sink, and one did a perfect dive down the drain. I had to find somebody with a pipe wrench to open up the U-bend in the sink to get it out. Luckily, it was there, but I wouldn't count on that luck twice. The trick is to develop a muscle memory. Make plugging the sink reflexive every time you clean your jewelry. It only takes a moment, and it can save so much heartache, or finding somebody with a pipe wrench. And don't forget, gems can loosen and come out of their settings. It's not just that you might drop a big ring down the sink. They could slip away. None of them are immune, so plug that sink every single time. Plugging the sink is such a simple step, but it can save you a lot of heartache and finding a plumber. This video will be added to my Jewelry Insider Style Hack playlist, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video so you can find it again. Do you have a jewelry dilemma or a gemstone question? Drop it in the comments. I will have an answer for you. I'm Cynthia Renee, gem mine geologist turned colored gemstone dealer and award-winning jewelry designer. Until next time, keep your treasures safe and don't let your jewels take the plunge.